Welcome back to Wellness Wave Official, your go-to place for health, wellness, and self-improvement. Today, we explore top 5 exercises to strengthen your core, where science and well-being connect. Join us as we uncover powerful habits and strategies to strengthen your core today. A strong core is the foundation of overall body strength, posture, and balance. It is more than just achieving visible abs. It's about enhancing stability, preventing injuries, and improving movement efficiency. The core muscles include the rectus abdominis, front abs, obliques, side abs, transverse abdominis, deep core, and lower back muscles, all working together to support your spine and body movements. Whether you're an athlete or someone looking to stay fit, developing a strong core is essential for better posture, reduced back pain, and improved athletic performance. Let's explore the top 5 exercises that will help you build a rock-solid core. 1. Plank, the ultimate core stabilizer. The plank is one of the most effective exercises for full core engagement. Unlike traditional crunches, which focus mainly on the front abs, the plank strengthens the entire core, shoulders, glutes, and lower back. To perform a plank, start by placing your forearms on the ground with your elbows aligned under your shoulders. Extend your legs straight behind you, balancing on your toes. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Avoid arching your lower back or dropping your hips. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, increasing the duration as you build strength. The plank not only builds endurance but also improves posture and spinal stability, making it a fundamental core exercise. 2. Russian twists, enhancing oblique strength. If you want to strengthen the sides of your core, known as the obliques, Russian twists are a fantastic exercise. Start by sitting on the floor with your knees bent and feet slightly lifted off the ground. Hold a weight or medicine ball in front of your chest. Keeping your spine straight, lean back slightly and twist your torso to the right, bringing the weight beside your hip. Return to the center, then twist to the left. Perform 15 to 20 repetitions per side with slow, controlled movements. Russian twists are highly effective for improving rotational strength, balance, and core stability, making them an excellent addition to any workout routine. 3. Bicycle crunches, engaging the entire core. Bicycle crunches are a dynamic core exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors. To do this exercise, lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head and knees lifted at a 90-degree angle. Bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg outward. Then, switch sides, bringing your left elbow toward your right knee while extending your left leg. Continue alternating in a pedaling motion. Aim for 20 to 30 repetitions per side while maintaining control over your movements. Bicycle crunches enhance core endurance, coordination, and agility, making them a staple in many fitness programs. 4. Dead bug, mastering core control. The dead bug exercise is one of the best for building core stability without straining the lower back. It helps strengthen the deep core muscles, improving posture and movement control. Lie on your back with your arms extended toward the ceiling and knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor while keeping your lower back pressed against the ground. Return to the starting position,